How to grow lemongrass and ways to use it. Lemongrass might be one of the most profitable herbs to grow. It can be used for functional, aesthetic, medicinal, and even gastronomic purposes. In this video, we're going to share the many ways on how you can grow lemongrass. Also, we're going to talk about its many uses. How to grow lemongrass. In small pots, plant seeds in the spring. Set the pot in a saucer of water, then sow seeds thinly on the top, gently pressing them down to make sure they are in excellent contact with the compost and receiving water from below. Germinate in a propagator that is heated. 3 seedlings should be placed in a tiny pot filled with multi-purpose compost when they are big enough to handle, and the container should be placed on a sunny, frost-free windowsill. Before the lemongrass is prepared to be planted in a bright position outside in the early summer, move the plants into a larger pot when roots can be seen through the bottom. It may be required to do this numerous times, with plants eventually ending up in a 20 centimeter or 8-inch pot. Plants should be kept well watered and in a sunny, protected location during the summer. In the late summer, bring plants back inside, placing them in a light, cool location and reducing watering so that the compost is kept merely damp. Ideal temperature is 5 degrees Celsius minimum. Reduce foliage to 10 centimeters when it begins to brown in the autumn. Feed plants once a week with a balanced liquid fertilizer as new growth starts to show in the spring. Similarly, stems purchased in stores can be used to grow plants. Set lengths of stem in tiny pots in the spring or summer, place in a sunny location and water. The base should immediately produce root. Move the plant into a slightly bigger container after the roots start to show through the drainage holes at the bottom of the pots. Harvesting. Stems can be cut down whenever needed throughout the year. There are 2 approaches. Remove as many stems as necessary by completely cutting them off at the base. Divide the plant by tipping it out of the pot and dividing the root ball with a sharp knife, taking only what you need. Replant the remaining flowers in a smaller pot. Trim the leaves off the stems, saving the lower 8 to 10 centimeters for use. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button, as it really helps the growth of our channel. Different uses of lemongrass. Number 1, you can use lemongrass in furniture polish. 1 cup of mineral or linseed oil should be gently simmered. Add half a cup of dried lemongrass and boil the oil for 10 minutes. Cool after turning off the heat. When the oil has cooled, filter it and use it as furniture polish to restore and shine your furniture while also leaving a mild aroma behind. Number 2, Asian cuisine, including your favorite stir-fry recipes, benefits greatly from the addition of lemongrass. With its overtones of citrus, it is a particularly fantastic addition to stir-fry veggies, giving them taste and depth. Number 3, to add a surprising element, add lemongrass to your go-to recipes. Lemongrass is frequently a good addition to soups and stews. To add a hint of lemongrass flavor, add 1 or 2 stalks with the outer leaves removed and remove before serving. Number 4, fresh lemongrass frequently adds flavor to chicken and fish meals. For a delightful twist from the routine, add to marinades or sprinkle on while sautéing. For those who like a more subtle flavor than adding fresh lemon juice, this is especially wonderful. Number 5, lemongrass has a mild citrus flavor that works well with flavored simple syrup that is used to flavor beverages and cocktails. For a distinctive touch, this syrup can be used for anything from iced tea to alcoholic beverages. Number 6, fresh summer salads are a terrific place to incorporate lemongrass. Cut down to the stalk's delicate base, which is where the bulb is located in the bottom 3 to 4 inches. Remove the tough outer leaves to reveal the delicate center. To add a citrusy flavor to salads, crush and finely chop this. Number 7, an excellent natural insect repellent is lemongrass. To disperse the scent over a sizable area and ward off insects, place a pan of water infused with lemongrass over your fire pit or on your grill. Similarly, to deter mosquitoes, throw a few handfuls of dried or fresh lemongrass into your summer bonfire. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable.